Good evening, it's Shane from Swiftlight. If you're wondering how I help clients move from point A to point B, the answer is simple. You start by coming to a free workshop. On January 1st at 3 p.m., I'm hosting a free expressive arts-based experience called the Skip Reflex Wheel Workshop. This isn't about fixing yourself. It's about noticing what your nervous system has been protecting you from. We use a reimagined wheel of life, creative reflection, and gentle mapping to understand how stress, avoidance, and shutdown actually show up, especially for ADHD and overwhelmed nervous systems. That's point A, awareness without shame. From there, we build with clarity, creativity, and consistency. If you want deeper support, we begin with a discovery call. Not a sales pitch, but a story session. I basically listen for patterns, pain points, and to discover what's getting in the way. Next, we uncover the why beneath the what using the motivators assessment and a learning styles assessment. This is where confusion turns into comprehension and clients finally understand how they're wired. Then we integrate expressive arts because insight alone doesn't create change. Experience does. Through visual mapping, metaphor, and creative exploration, clients externalize overwhelm and build strategies that actually stick. With weekly check-ins, because I'm going to check on you, we move from insight to implementation, from avoidance to action, from spinning to steadiness. And no one does this alone because clients are supported inside of my online community with accountability, body doubling, and nervous system awareness support. One client put it best. I don't feel behind anymore. I feel aligned, and I finally know what works for me. That's how we move from point A to point B with personalization, permission, and practical pathways. But let's start where it's gentle, which is Thursday, January